I think competition is very, very high across the SME lending space, especially in the secured lending space, because the last 18 months, the commentary from the regulator also had been that one needs to slow down on unsecured lending and stuff. So practically everybody in the system, be it banks and NBFCs, want to do secured loans against properties. But I think what element one misses here is this is also core expertise which certain players bring to the table, and that is the deeper connect with the customer and understanding of these businesses. It's also based on the fact that this is an industry which is expanding very well. There is a strong buoyancy which is there in terms of how businesses are building out. Even if you were to look at the most recent prediction around growth, quarter 1 GDP growth numbers for our country, I think there is a clear direction that despite all the geopolitical issues, there is enough and more opportunity there for core businesses to continue to grow. And what's actually more important and interesting is the fact that, with the advent of technology, digital payments, and so on and so forth, I think even, every segment of the MSME system has now improved in terms of being able to demonstrate the kind of cash flows one generates. And that deeper understanding of cash flows is the core for someone to be able to compete in this market. And of course, goes without saying, one needs to be nimble-footed, adapting to regulations pretty fast, because that's a fast-changing regulatory environment. And the core focus should be to use technology for improvement in productivity. That is the mainstay for us to be able to deliver, the customer requirements which are there.